Hi everybody, Stephen Guest here with Smartland Commercial Construction, and today we're here to talk about the keys to modernizing a dental office. So, when it comes to modernizing a dental office, a lot of times you walk in an office, you got those uncomfortable chairs in there, you got a really outdated waiting room, things just don't look right anymore. The number one easiest area that we can attack right away, we can talk about revamping your waiting area. Remember those really old chairs in your waiting area? Your patients do too. You want to get new chairs. You need to modernize your colors. It's time. It's time to meet today's needs and those needs of your patients. Another quick solution, update your storage space. You have modern tech, you have modern tools, you should have modern storage facilities for those products. So for example, a little bit of cabinets and millwork can go a long way in not only upgrading your facility, but really making sure that we're taking care of the tools, we're taking care of the gadgets, we're taking care of all of the most important fundamental things that drive business and help drive revenue. We need to modernize not only everything that we just talked about, that's all good and dandy, but you also have to grow your space. So whether that means that you need to move walls, or you need to add walls, or add more space, or move to a new space, or add more chairs, or replace your chairs, or add more tech, or add more equipment, whatever that may mean, you need to continue growing with your practice. If you expect that your patients will grow with you, your practice must grow with you as well. And so consulting with somebody like a professional contractor or possibly even your dental equipment supplier may go a long way in helping you identify the best way and the best means to growing your practice further. So modernizing a dental office, it's really quick and simple. We could really quickly revamp your waiting area, update your storage solutions, look at what you need to grow with your practice a little bit longer, and once you put all those little pieces together, I assure you, your patients will be overly joyous and they'll be so happy to tell their friends and bring more friends and keep growing your patient base. Thank you so much for watching this today, and we can't wait for you to come back to us.